Hey guys, it's me, Nandu. Welcome back to Lindsay Wise. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make strawberry lemonade. So first I'm going to be showing you the ingredients. So you'll be needing 3 strawberries per cup, some water, I don't know how much, is how much strawberries you add, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, or you can squeeze one, and some sugar. So let's get started. So first, I already washed my strawberries, so right now I'm gonna cut them into little pieces and have adult supervision if you're gonna use knives. Here. So I'm gonna just make these little pieces, and I'm gonna add the little pieces to a blender, to a bowl for the blender. So I'm going to cut them into these small pieces, just like this. That was a cup. Okay, so yeah, so I'll keep doing this and I'll see you guys after. Bye-bye. Alright guys, I'm back and I have my strawberries. And the next step I have to do is add some water. So I'll have to add the water until where the strawberries are. So this is where the strawberries are. There's the water. I added it to where the strawberries are. And then we're going to add 1.5 spoons of sugar. Like I said earlier, we have 1.5 spoons of sugar. So we're going to add 1 spoon and a 1/2 spoon. Okay. And now we're going to blend. And I'll see you guys after I blend. Bye. Alright guys, I'm back and this is the mixture, and now I'm going to add it to the cup. So I have a strainer here, and yes, so now I'm going to pour a little bit. There. I didn't make a lot, or no, it didn't make a lot. I made a first batch before this because like the video, it go on like the Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it. So I made the first batch, but the audio didn't come. So I hope the audio is coming. Here, comment down below if you can hear me. It's fine. I'll just see if I can hear it while I'm editing. So I'm just gonna mix this. There we go. Now we got to the chunk part, right? So now we're gonna add the rest. Okay, then this is empty. So we're going to mix it. Sorry for the background noise, it's raining and also my mom's talking to someone, so so now we got like a strawberry puree here. If you want to keep it, you can. I'm just going to right here. Okay, we have one last step, which is, here's our strawberry juice, add our lemon juice. So we add like a little drop, like this much. That's enough. It depends how sour you want your drink. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it. Now I'm gonna drink it. Oh wow, it's really good. So I'm gonna put some I made earlier into here, so it's more. There we go. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.